Hi everyone, I'm Khushboo Kapoor and it's so good to see you all here. Well, I would be sharing many of my videos about my travel and about the journeys that I did in the past before COVID. Very soon and very frequently, I promise. But for now, I'm sharing just a few glimpses of the trip that I had pre-COVID. It was in Finland. Actually, I traveled to more than 13 countries during 1 month, and overall I've been to more than 60 countries, but this is just a glimpse. Don't treat it as a travel blog. And I was very unwell during my trip to Finland, so this is just getting there and just pushing myself out there. So it was just an effort to be there on the street where it was freezing cold and it was snowing, and I had to keep with the weather, and I had to keep with the cold and the fever that I had during the time. But it went off well, it paid off well, and the hard work that I did then actually made me satisfied, like that I've been to the country and I've visited it properly. So that was only satisfaction. So just avoid the quality of the video, avoid the thing that I'm not explaining anything to you on the video. But yeah, I'll make it sure that in my further videos, whenever I visit any country or any place or any temple or any mosque or any church, anywhere I will be doing it very properly for you. But since this is just a throwback from my earlier journeys, I'm just summarizing it right here. So just presenting to you in a form of short videos, just 1 or 2 videos for a while, for some time, and I'm just actually making it a compilation of the journeys that I had. I hope that you'll have a great time with me on my channel, and thank you so much for being here. Thank you for all the love. Take care. Bye bye.